Taking a look at European markets right now, we're seeing Unilever reporting some big results. We're going to check in with Laura Board in the Deals London newsroom for more coming out of China right now, as well as international stocks and individual indices. Laura?
Morning, John. Yes, European and Asian stock indices having a bit of a rally today, courtesy of the Chinese central bank's 42 billion liquidity infusion into the markets earlier today. In Europe, economic data from the ZEW Research Institute in Germany rained on the parade slightly. Investor and analysts' expectations for German economy and economic growth unexpectedly declined this month. Over to corporate news. Unilever, as you say, posted full year and fourth quarter results. Fourth quarter sales, what Unilever calls underlying sales, came in above analyst expectations. People were particularly pleased that emerging markets sales growth in the fourth quarter was up. Sales in emerging markets up about 8.4%. Unilever full year results, however, slightly down in terms of revenue at about $67 billion. And the company has warned that it expects external volatility. Moving to Paris, Peugeot has regained some of that shocking 11% decline yesterday amid its confirmation that it's looking to sell up to 4 billion of new shares. Some of those shares will be reserved for the Chinese car manufacturer Dongfeng, some for the French state. It's still in talks about an alliance with Dongfeng. We don't know exactly what it's planning. It has promised to tell us more on February the 19th when it releases full year results. Finally, in Hong Kong, Chinese computer maker Lenovo up 2.8% today, as it confirmed it's in talks with third party about potential acquisition. It hasn't named a third party or said what it wants to buy, but it's widely believed to be the low-cost server unit of IBM. It tried and failed to buy that business in spring last year. Right now, estimates of the potential value of the business vary wildly from $2.5 billion to $6 billion, and it looks like there may be a valuation gap between what Lenovo wants to pay and what IBM wants to get for that business. Nevertheless, the acquisition would be pretty transformational. Investors like the idea and mark the stock up today. Back to you, John.
Thank you very much, Laura Board. That was Laura Board checking in from the Deals London newsroom.